Morning, everybody. I just took some time to fire this thing up, and you can see there's 23 LEDs here. I mean 24. So that's the 24 pulses going to the drivers, to the FETs out here. And the Arduino is running just fine. I had to change the delay, and this is data bit. This is the number 0, and what I've got is 59.24 hertz, and that's where we are. The next step is to clean up this mess and connect some wires to it, and then connect these wires here up to the PC board and see what the coils do with the FETs and see how hot they run and whatever. I've got a couple of fans I got to go get, and this is going to be my power source here. This is the same as I had before, and I got a single 12 and then 24 volts here, and we'll start there and see what happens with the FETs. I don't know if they're going to burn up or what, but they got hot last time I ran it. So with the other coils, these are a lot less resistance, so we'll see. Anyway,